Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Reancy.
And I'm Gary, and in today's video we're going to learn words associated with the kitchen. And before we start guys, if these videos help you in any way, why not put a like on them? And if you're new around here, please consider subscribing as well. With that being said, let's jump straight to the video right now.
Let's start with the word for knife. Knife in Bisaya is
Kutsilyo.
kutsilyo.
Knife, kutsilyo. And here's a random fact for you. Most Filipinos don't actually use a table knife when they eat. They prefer to use a fork and a spoon. So just keep that in mind when you're in the Philippines. Moving on from there, we have the word for fork, which is
Tinidor. Tinidor.
fork is tinidor. Our next word is spoon, which is
Kutsara. Kutsara.
kutsara is spoon. Next, we have the word for plate.
Plato. Plato.
So that one's nice and easy to remember. Plate is plato.
Filipinos enjoy foods like soup and noodle dishes, which require a bowl, so that's the next word for you. Bowl in Bisaya is
Panaksan. Panaksan.
bowl is panaksan.
Moving on from there, we have the word for glass, which is
Baso. Baso.
glass is vaso. And another object which holds liquid is a cup. So the word for cup is
Tasa. Tasa.
tasa is the word for cup.
We've learned the word for cup, so naturally, let's now learn the word for saucer, which is
Platito. Platito.
saucer is platito. Our next object, which is common in not just the kitchen, is a tap or faucet. And the word for that is gripo. Gripo.
Tap is gripo. We're going to take a look at some of appliances now found in the kitchen. So one of the most important items in the kitchen is the kettle. So let's learn that one first.
Kettle in Bisaya is takuri. Takuri.
Kettle, takori.
Our next kitchen appliance is a stove. Stove in Bisaya is
Stove. Stove.
stove is stove, very similar to the English equivalent.
Nice and easy to remember. Next, we have oven. And oven in Bisaya is
Oven. Oven.
again guys, another very easy one to remember. Oven is oven.
So guys, that was a quick video to teach you about the most common object found in the kitchen. I hope you learned something today.
If there's any appliances or objects that we've missed that you really want to know, why not put them in the comment section below and we'll answer them as best as we can. If you find our videos helpful guys, please put a like on them, we really appreciate it. And if you're new around here, why not consider subscribing to the channel as well. And as always guys, have a great day.
See you in another video.